Governor School is thinking deeply about anything and everything, whether it be childhood animated shows in seminars, the meaning of life in Area 2, or the definition of drawing in my visual arts class. Every instructor and fellow encourages us to dive deeper than any learning environment I've ever been a part of.
To me, Governor School is a chance to challenge myself by broadening my knowledge and getting out of my comfort zone in order to grow as an individual. I have been able to talk to so many people that have changed the way I think and my ability to make friends.
A mí, la escuela de gobierno es un lugar de respeto mutuo, coraje, empoderamiento y intrepidez.
Music has always been a part of my life, but I've not always been sure about my place in music. When I was younger, music was only a small portion of my life, manifesting in my father's symphony performances and songs on the radio. But as I've grown, I've realized I can't avoid how music is connected to me, and I can't hide from my doubts surrounding my relationship with it. There's always that fear that embracing music wholeheartedly is a mistake. That was until I came to Governor School. I've learned here that being the best or most talented musician doesn't matter, that the passion and drive and love for music is what's most important, that a life without music is a life I don't think is worth living. That's what Governor School means to me.
favorite thing about Governor School is being able to collaborate with other students that have the same passion as I for their area of study. My second favorite thing about Governor School is making lifelong friendships that I will forever cherish. The experiences I have had at Governor School have brought me out of my shell and helped me grow in many areas of myself.
To me, Governor's School is a special opportunity. It is an opportunity that allows me to reflect, change, and explore. This opportunity has given me new perspectives on life and a chance to accept new things. And best of all, it has allowed me to meet and connect with some of the best people ever.
Governor School means a place where I can be who I am, a space where I can explore new ideas, a home amongst genuine people. It's not a school as much as it's an idea, a realization of a dream that we all have a place to learn, explore, question. Governor School means home.
My favorite part about Governor School is the opportunity to meet students from across the state who care about learning, and faculty with the tools and desire to help them learn.
To me, Governor School is idyllic. It's a world in which knowledge is not power, but a purpose. The weights that one carries in life all fall away here, embodied by the feeling that I could fly at any given moment. My desire to love, to learn, and to be a poet have deepened into parts of my heart that I didn't know existed. Governor School is my rebirth.
To me, Governor School is like a stew, the most flavorful stew I've ever tasted. There's all kinds of ingredients, some more conventional than others, but everything combines together wonderfully. My favorite thing about Governor School is the community, obviously. Everyone here is so kind and welcoming. It's so easy to just jump into conversations and make connections, and everyone here is so talented.